Hi.
Hi. So Joshua, let's apply the trigonometric functions on this problem. Today is September 22, 2021, second year of the pandemic. A wheel 3 feet in diameter rose up an incline of 15 degrees. When the point of contact of the wheel with the incline is 4 feet from the bottom of the incline, what is the height of the center of the wheel above the base of the incline?
Okay.
So Joshua did already the figure because it's quite used to make it on the whiteboard, on virtual whiteboard. So please continue your solution and you may use your scientific calculator to solve for the trigonometric
So
functions.
in essence, we need to find h plus b. So need to find, first of all, we need to know 75 degrees came from 15 and 19 because all the angles of a triangle will add up to 180 degrees. So 180 minus 15 minus 90 equals 75 degrees. We'll be needing this. So here you can see that this 75 degrees over
Where
here.
did you get that 75 degrees?
Here.
No. This was the old.
So here's the 75 degrees. So now, since this is a vertical angle, it must be equal. Okay. So this is also 75 degrees. So now, I'll just erase this. So now, the sign of this 75 degrees over here is opposite over hypotenuse. So it means it is this side over h.
Okay,
so
write everything down.
Let's say we set this side to r because it's the radius. So this is apparently the radius because it falls from the center to the tangent line on the surface of the circle. So the radius equals the diameter, which is 3 feet over 2. That equals 1.5 feet. So if we take the sine of 75 should equal r over h. So since now we know that r is just 1.5 feet, we can now know h. So sine 75 in actuality is 0.966. So 0.966 is equal to 1.5 feet over h. So h in turn is h, which I'll just change color.
Show all your solution. Because we're not inside your mind. We don't know how you're trying to solve it. Which is what?
Oh, excuse me. So this is supposed to be 0.966.
Let's put the final answer today.
So h is just equal to 1.5 over 0.966. So 1.5 over 0.966 is approximately 1.553 feet. Okay, so we actually got one of the variables we need to finish the solution already is h. So from h, I'll just continue here, and then I'll move to the next page.
Yes, can you use a different color of pen? Like
okay.
Yes, we can use any.
Okay, yeah. So for h, since we have h already, we can find e because we know h and r. So using the Pythagorean theorem,
Yes, PT. PT is PT.
we can find that square root of h squared minus r squared equals a. So you can plug in the values already. So this is already known to be 1.553 squared. And then this is already known to be 1.5. So that's 1.5 squared. So evaluate. Minus 1.5 squared. So that equals approximately 0.4022 feet. Okay, I'll just continue to the next page. Keep in mind. Okay, so you can see here, this is where A is. And then all of this, oops, that's not supposed to be up to there. It's supposed to be up to here. All of this should be 4 feet. So we know that A is 0.4022. So this remaining length, let's say we set this to P, this remaining length equals 4 feet minus A, so that equals 4 feet minus.
Can you feature A?
4 feet minus.
No crash. Yes.
4 feet minus 0.4022.
0.022 what? Because you can only combine like terms, right?
Okay. So P has now been evaluated again. So that's 3.597 approximately. So now that we know what
3.597 to the
there.
unit, please don't forget the unit.
So now that we know P, we can find the value of B. So here, we know, as you can see, this is a right angle. So P is the hypotenuse. So again, using the Pythagorean theorem, we can do this. P squared minus B squared. Oh, wait. We can actually, instead of doing this, we can actually use sine. So the sine of 15 and the sine of 15 is actually equal to B over P.
Which is
A.
What's B?
So
B
B
is the what
is
side
this
is it?
this is the opposite side to
Over
15. Over the hypotenuse.
Yes, opposite over the hypotenuse.
So sine 15.
15 degrees.
Sine 15 is sine 15. Sine 15 is 0.2588. So B over P is, we know that P is 3.597 feet. It's B over 0.597. So now, we can equate this 0.2588 equal to B over 3.597. So we can multiply this 0.2588 times 3.597 to get B. So B is 0.931. Okay, 931 feet. It's actually 0.9309. So as you can see, we found B. Okay, did we find H? Yes, I think we did. Yes. Okay, H is 1.553. And then B is 0.931. Okay, so as I was talking about earlier, we knew that H plus B equals the answer. Okay, so now we know both. So substitute 1.553 feet plus 0.931 feet equals 2.484 feet.
Okay.
So
that's your answer.
this
What
the
is
answer.
that? You can check. It is look at the question again.
So it is the height of the wheel, the height of the center of the wheel above the base of the incline.
Yes. Wait, can you turn to page 2? What if you're solving for B Is it possible to use cosine?
Yes, it is also possible
So
to use
what
cosine.
can you use cosine?
So we can also use cosine. So
Can you solve it there on the right side?
maybe we use cosine 75. What if we use cosine 75? So
Let's
if
check
it's
if the answer will
cosine
come out the same.
25, that should be equal to b over p because it's adjacent over hypotenuse. So that's still b over p. Oh, that's still b over 3.597. So cosine 75 must be equal to sine 15. Which it is because they are co-functions. So this will be equal if one of the other this
So
number
what
here
is cosine
is
75?
complementary.
Put
So
it here.
cosine 75 is
Yeah,
also
on this side,
oh
on the left side. So you're
cosine 75 is also 2.588. It's equal to sine 15. So again, 0.2588 is equal to b over 3.597. And then eventually b will still be equal to 0.931 feet. And then we will
yes.
still add it to
So
1.553 feet. So here's the answer. 2.484 feet.
okay. Thanks
Thanks
for
for watching.
watching.